So guys, let's take a look at what we would expect for the day on our odd Wednesday. So make sure you subscribe to the channel if you are yet to subscribe. Make sure you like, share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so you will not miss out on any single updates. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So guys, currently we have a mentorship that is currently ongoing. Right? If you trade odd USD or any other USD pair, and you would want to know how to trade it properly, and you would want to learn how to trade it properly, right? All you just need to do is join the mentorship program that is currently ongoing. You will find the link to the program in the comment section. So once you subscribe to the mentorship program, you'll be invited in. You're going to be looking at the in-depth analysis, back-to-back updates, also trade live, going live every weekend, and so more and so forth will be covered in the Patreon channel. So all you just need to do is not to miss out on any of this. Subscribe to the mentorship program. You'll find the link in the comment section. Now back to our analysis on our odd USD. So if you are to go to your daily time frame and you see your odd USD, right, you can see that the full trend on our odd USD is an uptrend move. We are clearly a bullish move, right? Market is clearly trending to the upside. Market is clearly bullish. Now, take a look at this moment right here. So this is the first, this is the high that market did give us. Then here comes the higher low, right? Market was able to push up again to form a new high. Now here comes the higher low. Market was able to push up again to form a new high, and this is an equal higher low right here, right? Now, markets, we should be expecting market to continue to push up and form a new higher high, thereby taking out this high. So a bullish move is what we are going to be expecting on our odd USD. So let's be anticipating for a further movement side, which will be a bullish move. So guys, whatever you want to be doing on your odd USD, anticipating for a bullish move, anticipating for a movement to the upside. So more updates on this will be covered for you guys. All you just need to do is click on the subscribe button, like and share.